kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dishes. Anyway, today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely drink, which is healthy drink, and you know what I mean, it's good to stay healthy, look healthy and fit, and you know, strong. Yes, today we're gonna make you some spinach and some ginger drink. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So we're gonna make you a nice, lovely drink today. Let's put everything at the side right here. Basically, some spinach. I wash out my spinach already inside of the smoothie blender like this. Roughly a handful of spinach, a little bit of water, a few pieces of ice, and a tablespoon of honey, and also we're gonna put some orange inside of it, roughly half of an orange, and also a piece of a ginger. So what happened now, the ginger gonna give it a lovely flavor. So put some ginger in it. And simple cover it. Make sure you seal it really good. If you have a smoothie blender, that's even better. Alright? So as you can see. Now we're gonna just blend this roughly about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. Just finish. So basically what we're gonna do, look at that, beautiful and nice. So the spinach took over the color from the green, orange, everything inside of it. Love the color. Pour it straight inside of a glass like this. And it's just one glass of it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more healthy drink like this coming. Spinach, ginger, and orange. It goes really well. See you next time. Bye bye.